Flying with infants can be a challenging and daunting task, but with the right gear and preparations, it can be a smooth and enjoyable experience for both the parents and the little ones. In this video, we will showcase the must-have gear and preparations you need to make before flying with infants. One of the essential gear items for traveling with an infant is a baby carrier. It allows you to have your hands free while keeping your baby safe and comfortable. Look for a carrier that offers proper support for your baby's head and neck, and adjustable straps to fit your body. It should also be easy to put on and take off, especially during security checks at the airport. A well-stocked diaper bag is crucial when flying with infants. Include enough diapers, wipes, and changing pads for the duration of the flight, along with extra clothes in case of any accidents. Don't forget to pack bottles, formula or breast milk if needed, and snacks for older infants. It's also a good idea to have a portable changing pad and disposable bags for soiled diapers. Keeping your baby entertained and comfortable during the flight is essential. Pack some small toys, books, or interactive games that can engage your baby's attention. Don't forget to bring their favorite blanket or stuffed animal for comfort and familiarity. Also, consider noise-canceling headphones to protect their little ears from the noise of the aircraft. During takeoff and landing, the pressure changes can cause discomfort for infants. To help alleviate this, you can try feeding or giving your baby a pacifier during these times. The swallowing motion can help equalize the pressure in their ears and reduce any discomfort. It's also advisable to consult with your pediatrician beforehand for additional tips or recommendations. Before boarding, be sure to check if there are any specific airline policies regarding flying with infants. Arrive at the airport early to allow enough time for security checks and diaper changes. Lastly, try to remain calm and patient throughout the journey, as babies can sense and react to their parents' emotions. With these must-have gear items and preparations, flying with infants can be a successful and enjoyable experience.